Hello, my name is Jose Mendez. I'm from Munich, Germany, and this is my CS50p final project. It's called, the Python core is based off SILVIA, Sovereign Information Learning Virtual Intelligence Architect framework that is related to information through digital twins based off monitoring or communities. The Python core should calculate the territorial regeneration index, then show the life cycle stage of the data income, showing different results of cycle, and load the community that will we work with in the next stage of next evolution of this project. This code is related to JSON and other score codes that is resulting in this holograph that show information and a couple of show in life, in real life, with real data. So we come back here and we test the pytest test project. Should we work fine? Yes. And yeah, that's all. This was my final project connected to my research that is based on indigenous territorial sovereignty through software design. The community data comes from my field work with the payment people in Gran Sabana, Venezuela, and I learned so much by the CS50p Harvard course, Python, Introduction to Python. Thank you so much, and hope to follow the next course in KI, IE, AI. Sorry so much. So thank you.